Stress is that uninvited guest that just won't leave, right? It creeps into our lives, making us feel anxious and exhausted. But what if we could flip the script? Imagine waking up feeling calm, ready to tackle the day without that constant worry nagging at you. Chronic stress messes with our sleep, energy, and mood, wreaking havoc on our health. Instead of trying to eliminate stress completely, we can focus on building resilience. Natural ingredients can be game changers here. For instance, sweet orange peel extract interacts with our brain receptors to help reduce stress, while Rhodiola Rosea boosts mental clarity and fights fatigue. Saffron, the sunshine spice, lifts our mood and improves sleep. And let's not forget cantaloupe melon juice concentrate, which is packed with antioxidants to help us unwind. L-theanine from Chinese tea promotes focus without the jitters, and essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins are vital for our nervous system and overall well-being. Experts agree, with the right tools, we can manage stress effectively and reclaim our lives. So, why not explore these natural methods and start thriving with clarity and peace of mind?
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.